Hello, welcome to Best Budget Info. In this episode, I will show you the 4 best 4K dash cams to buy in 2022. Let's see what we have in this episode go together. On number 1 we have Zenfox 4K dash cam. Ultra clear 4K dual dash cam is developed with Sony IMX415 sensor on the front cam and also Sony IMX307 sensor on the rear camera. Taping road leaf at 4K UHD 3840 right into 2160p 30 fps and also roadway behind at FHD 1920 right into 1080p 30 fps at the same time. The actual 4K resolution significantly elevates video clip top quality as well as captures clear car certificate. Road details a lot easier than various other dash cameras. Built-in Wi-Fi offers a smooth connection with Zenfox application in your iOS as well as Android smart device, making it possible for simpler camera setting administration, video downloading, and also timely social networks sharing. Permits you to see the online rate on the car dashcam when driving. Accurately records driving course, area, rate, and also time. You can utilize compatible software to check real-time details. Offer handy proof in a traffic mishap. E1 4K dashboard camera is geared up with a 3.16 huge HD LCD display for quick viewing and playback of videotaped video clips from the front and back of the automobile at any moment, providing a higher tracking experience. On number 4 we have Zenfox P4K dashcam. Trademark and conspicuous design allows the V1P to be a well-hidden witness to the roadway in advance. Videotape from 2 different perspectives by attaching the consisted of 1080p back camera to the 4K front cam. All at once document and also display the roadway ahead and also the roadway behind you with the camera as well as LCD screen. The 6-layer glass lens opens to record a sweeping sight of your environments. The premium WDR modern technology enables the camera to execute ideally in any light circumstance by adjusting the exposure to develop balanced pictures and also video. The dashboard webcam utilizes a supercapacitor that can stand up to severe temperatures from -20 to 176 degF, which stops the danger of overheating, prolongs the lifetime as well as integrity of the cam. With the parking monitor attribute, the dashboard camera will immediately switch on and also record when the car camera detects vibration, or the dashcam will certainly catch frames for a time-lapse video for 24/7. View, conserve, as well as share rush webcam recordings wirelessly on your mobile phone with using an application user interface. On number 3 we have Cobra 400D 4K Wise dashcam. With Ultra HD 4K resolution, you'll obtain 4x the pixel resolution of 1080p, so you can see and catch every information on your drive. The SC400D dashcam allows you to see more at the front as well as the back of your car, day or night. This dashboard camera includes Alexa developed right into its system. From playing music in your auto to navigating or locating restaurants, Alexa is ready to respond to any question or request while you get on the roadway. Consists of a front-facing SC400D dash camera and a rear-facing accessory camera to give the dual view capacity. Add an optional cabin view accessory camera to record the road in advance, behind, and also inside the automobile at the same time. New as well as enhanced app supplies cloud video administration, security and protection functions, tool setups, plus added iOS as well as Android stability to connect you with the Drive Wiser neighborhood for real-time car driver notifies. On number 4 we have ROZO DC3000A 4K dashcam. This model uses 360-degree lenses to plainly capture everything ahead, around as well as even inside your car. It has 1 integrated 360 sight camera lenses that are capable of tape recording every little thing in around 4K recording. Its recording variety is 360, with seeing angles of 360 levels horizontally and also 360 degrees done in one camera. Drive action recorder that can record every little thing in 360 degrees both inside and also beyond your car. With the optional acquisition of DC200A, the cam will certainly tape the video clips while the engine is off, such as car park. So these are some of the 4K dash cams to buy in 2022. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.